Hello, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a book launch website. The platform that we'll be using is Wix. The reason why I recommend Wix Website Builder is because it is beginner friendly and also you can get started for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. All you'll need to do is go onto wix.com and enter your email address and create a password. Once you have done that, you're going to be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And all you'll need to do is tap on the search bar and you're going to type in book. Then you'll see the option book launch. You're going to tap on that. Then you are going to select next. After you have tapped on next, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, you are going to enter your website name. You can also enter the book name if you want. So let's say I would like to call this website Simple Books. So I'm going to do that and I'm going to tap on next. Once you have done that, you are going to be redirected to a page on which you'll be able to choose the plugins that you want on your website. So automatically you're going to have the events plugin. Then you're also going to have the chat plugin on which customers will be able to get support. If you would like to add online store from which you'll be able to sell products or so on, you can do that. Any one of these features that you would like to add onto your website, all you have to do is simply tap on it to add it. After you have done that, you're going to tap on next. Once you have tapped on next, what I want you to do is tap right where you see begin with a template. And the reason why I chose Wix for this tutorial is because of this. With Wix, you'll be able to create a professional looking website in no time, even as a complete beginner. As you can see, different template options that you can use. So all you have to do is scroll down until you find one that you like. So let's say for example's sake, I want to use this one. All I'll need to do is tap on edit. Once you have tapped on edit, you're going to give it a few seconds. Meanwhile, the AI, once it loads up, you'll be redirected to this page, and Wix now has an AI writer. So if you would like content to be written for your website, you can do that by simply typing in the information in this box and tapping on create site text. But I won't be using it for this example, so I'll simply tap on the X. Now I want you to tap right where you see 50% in the top right hand corner. And this is how your website looks at the moment. You can see it right here. The first thing we're going to be doing is changing the book cover. So we're going to be adding our own book cover. So you're going to tap on the current book cover right here. You're going to double tap on it. Then you're going to tap on change image. After you have tapped on change image, you're going to be redirected to this page. And we're going to tap on upload media. And from there you would be able to add your book cover, and then you're going to tap on choose image. After you have done that, you're going to tap on the X. Then you can also change the text by simply tapping on the text box. Then you could select edit text and you'll be able to edit the text right here. After you have edited the text, you could scroll down, and from here you'll be able to edit the call to action button. So all you have to do is tap on the button. Then you could tap on change text, and from there you could change the button text to whatever you want. After you have changed the button text, you will tap on the design icon, and by tapping on the design icon you can change how the button looks, as you can see right here. Or you could tap on customize design, and from there you could tap on fill color, and from there you could change the color of the button. So let's say for example I would like to change the button color to green. I could do that by tapping on it, and you can see right there. You can also decide if you would like to add a shadow to the button or not. Then you can also decide if you would like to add a border if you want. Once everything is to your liking, you're going to tap on the X. Then from there, I want you to tap right where you see linked. By tapping on linked, you are going to choose what you would like to happen after someone taps on the buy now button or whichever call to action text you have added. We are going to tap on which page. Then if you leave it at buy now, you could simply tap right where you see cart page. So they would be redirected to the payment page. Then you leave it at cart and you're going to tap on done. So once someone taps on the buy now button, they will be redirected to the cart page. And by scrolling down, you can make other changes. More than likely, you're going to be adding your photo right here or the author's photo. You can also change the text and add your own story. So after you have done all of that, you can delete any section you want. And if you would like to add anything else, all you'll need to do is go over to the top left hand corner, tap on add elements, and from there you can add text, you can add image, you can add more buttons if you want. You can add practically anything to your website right here. All you have to do is select what you would like to add and simply drag it and place it on the web page. Once you have done that, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option again, tap on the third icon, which is pages and menu, and we are going to edit each individual page. So you are going to tap on book page and you're going to be redirected to the book page. Once on the book page, I will show you what to do next. So at the moment, this is how the book page looks. As you can see right here, they have a preloaded sample book. And to upload your book, all you'll need to do is hover over the book section, tap on manage products, new product in the top right hand corner. Then we're going to tap on digital file. After tapping on digital file, from here you will be able to upload your book. So you'll see, just give it a few seconds and you'll be able to upload the book. You'll also be able to set the price for your book. All you'll need to do is tap on upload file. You can add the book name right there at the top. Then you are going to scroll down and you can add the book name again right here, and you can also add the description. And if you will need help from the AI, you can do that. And scrolling down, you'll be able to add images that you would like to be displayed, and you can also set the price as you can see right there. Once everything is to your liking, you are going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. After it has been saved, you'll simply tap on the X and you're going to see your book right here. And then you can scroll down if you would like to change the add to cart button or so on. You can do that. All you have to do is tap on settings. Once you have tapped on settings, you can tap on customize product page. So we are going to tap on customize page and you'll be able to make changes. Or you could tap on text, and from there you can change the add to cart button, or if you would like to add pre-order button, you can do that. Also, if you would like to add the PayPal button here instead of add to cart, you can do that by going over to the top left hand corner, tapping on the plus that says add elements, then hovering over button. Then you could select PayPal buttons right here. And all you'll need to do is drag and place the button where you want it. Then we'll tap on the X, and I'm also going to be showing you how to add PayPal to your website. But before doing that, let's edit the final page. So we are going to go over to the left hand menu option again, tap on pages and menu. Then you can tap on cart page. So this is the payment page right here. So this is how our payment page looks right now. We are going to tap on manage payments in the top left hand corner. After tapping on manage payments, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, you'll be able to add PayPal plus other payment options that you would want to be available for potential sales of your book. So all you'll need to do right where you see PayPal, you're going to tap on that. And then you'll be able to connect your PayPal. You can also connect TiloPay. And if you would like even more payment options, you can scroll down and tap on see more payment options. Once everything is set up, you are going to tap on the X in the top right hand corner again. And we are going to go over to the left hand menu option once more, tap on pages and menu, then tap on thank you page, and this is the page that persons would see after they have made a purchase. So you are going to tap on thank you page, and at the moment this is how the thank you page looks. You can see it right there. So this will be the product and they'll be able to download it. So all you'll need to do now, if you would want to make any changes, is hover over the section that you would like to change, and from there you could tap on quick edit to make changes. And that is basically it. Once it is finished, all you'll need to do, let me go back to the home page. Once it is finished, all you'll need to do now is tap on preview in the top right hand corner. Then if everything is to your liking, you can simply tap on publish for your website to go live. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.